Well, the question is it appropriate to have cameras in the break room? We personally don't have security cameras in our office. I've been in offices where there's like cameras everywhere.
I don't think, yeah, go ahead.
Well, I'm just trying to think of what I want to say. I don't necessarily think I guess I wouldn't say that it's not appropriate. I mean, this is a business, so I think it's within the owner's right to have cameras. Obviously not anywhere where you need privacy, but like a break room where you're eating lunch. I don't know, Daryl, you can agree or disagree. I think it's within their right to do that. But I do think it changes the atmosphere of the office to have all these security cameras, makes people feel maybe like you're not trusting them. Again, I know at the other office, it kind of made me a little nervous. I wasn't even doing anything wrong. But like in my office, I had this one little, it was like a little desk and just a little computer, and it was like my office, and there was a camera in there. And I just felt like nervous, like they were watching me and I wasn't even doing anything. And so again, I think it changes the dynamics of your office if you do have cameras everywhere. But what do you think, Daryl?
I think it's a matter of how you want to run or be perceived as the office, right? So the office I'm at, our offices I'm at, like their cameras are, you know, where the trash can is, the entrance, the front lobby, and like the main hallway.
Yeah.
All the consult rooms have glass doors. So you can close, we can be in a room, but Sammy can walk by and be like, there's no funny business because you can see, you just can't hear what's going on. The break room, obviously, there's the door's solid, and then there's a bathroom in there. So I wouldn't put a camera in the break room just because it's like, hey man, like it's your time. You do what you want to do. Like I don't care what you do, as long as the job gets done, right?
Do you guys have cameras in the operatories? Like where patients are being treated? I'm just curious. I'm just wondering because sometimes things happen.
No, have I seen that? I don't think I've seen that.
I think there is. Okay, so the way it's set up, like at my office, I have one camera at the very top that sees all three. But that's just to protect me and like, you know, like you don't want to be in the room with that and like have funny business.
Yeah.
So, but it's not like in each operatory there's
I just overall.
Yeah.
And again, I don't think that's wrong to have some security cameras. Just again, there's people coming in and out of your office all day, like patients. Some of these people you may know very well, some you don't know very well.
And you never know.
Yeah, you just don't know what's going to happen.
Yeah, it's hard to say. And there's been plenty of offices that have been robbed before. There's been plenty of theft, internal theft in the office. And there's ways to counteract that. I don't know if cameras are the most effective, but I do think like some appropriately placed cameras in areas that have high valuable items might be appropriate. Like maybe the doctor's office, if they're storing cash. Yeah. But I'm not sure. I don't have the answer.
That's a good question though. Cause I always struggle with it myself.